Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, first of all, these are all scams going on in my name in Telegram. I do not have any profile or groups in Telegram or any investment service. Please stay away. These are all scammers. Okay, they are scams, so stay away. Okay, no. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So gold right now standing at 2022. This is the current market price here. And as discussed yesterday about the possibility of a trend reversal, and we can see right now that yes, gold is under pressure and it looks like a trend reversal right now. Before NFP, it seems that there will be pressure on gold. After NFP, there may be a structural change again, but right now things do not look positive for gold. We look at the news and we can see that news is saying gold steady as markets await US jobs data. So it is telling us about NFP. Yes, NFP is around the corner coming on Friday. So there is a possibility that before NFP, we may get to see a little bit of a silent market. But if you look at the chart, my dear friends, we know it very well that gold is crazy. Usually we don't get to see this kind of volatility before a major event like NAP or CPI. But this week is different. This week is volatile. This week is crazy. So be careful. Okay. So today also, if you look at the economic calendar, today also we have a news coming up, ADP employment change. So this may not bring a structural change to the market, but yes, there will be volatility for one candle, two candles. So be careful at the time of the news. Okay, and let's look at the chart of DXY1's US dollar index. After all, we are forex traders. US dollar is the most popular traded currency in the world. So knowing about US dollar is important. So we can see that as expected, US dollar is going up. We discuss about the possibility of US dollar going up, and we can see that it is heading towards the next resistance around 104.20 to 104.50. And if it hits this level, I don't think so that it will be able to cross it at once. But if the same thing continues, then after coming down, it will be going up again. And at one point, it will break and head higher. After all, here also we can see a structural change here. So we have a structural change in DXY, we have a structural change in Euro USD, we have a structural change in gold right now. So all the markets are pointing towards a directional change here. So as a result, if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, you need to be a little bit careful. I think it's better to wait till NFP if you're a positional or swing trader, and if you're a day trader, then try to stick to the levels only and try to go with um, 40-50 pips. That would be easier because see I'm a lover of 40-50 pips. Maybe okay, that's the reason I'm saying. But yes, safety is also important, isn't it? So let's look at the chart of gold and discuss one by one. So you can see that I have drawn many lines here. Don't get confused. I'll explain one by one. Okay. So first of all, gold is still standing at FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay. And gold is trying to go up. But here we can see that gold form a lower low again. So here also, okay, gold is giving us the indication that I am going down. Okay. And yesterday I told you that the formation of the high will be very important, because when gold form a lower low, this one, okay, when gold form this lower low, gold needed to form a higher high here to continue the upside. But here we can see that the upside was very weak and gold formed a lower high here, and the formation of lower high indicates that the sellers have joined in, and as a result we can consider that the selling pressure will remain at least till NFP. So my dear friends, we have a structural change here. Okay, so as a result we need to be a little bit careful, because there is a possibility that we may get to see a downside on the chart of gold. In absence of NAP, this would have been a clear-cut indication of a downtrend. Listen to me carefully. In absence of NAP, we have a Okay, this would have been a clear-cut indication of a downtrend, but NFP is a big event. NFP is a big news. This may also change the direction of the market. Okay, so during the day, if you see market going up, observe the market around 20402 to 2043. This is the first level where you can observe the market here, because if market goes up also, we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area. Along with that, we also have price rejection from above. Then we have second resistance around 2063, and then we have third resistance around 2080. These are the three levels where we can expect the market to face resistance. Simply switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior once the market enter the zone. Once you'll see the market is struggling, market is unable to cross it, you can hit the sell button. 2040 to 2043, 2063 and 2080, and we have derived this level with the help of Fibonacci's. Let me show you. See, we have drawn Fibo from the top to bottom here, and you can see that. Let me remove this. Okay, now you can see this is Fibo here, this is Fibo 38.2. See, around 2063 we not only have Fibo 38.2% retracement level, but previous support will also be acting as resistance. Then we have at 2080 Fibo 50% retracement level. So if market goes up, we can expect some selling pressure around this area, and if market reverses, we can definitely hit the sell button. And moreover, around 2040 you can see the moving averages are also there, so they will also be acting as dynamic resistance. Okay, now let's look at the bigger picture. Okay, yeah, there it is. So as discussed yesterday, the next big support on the chart of gold is at 1980. 1980 is the next big support on the chart of gold, because market is respecting Fibo here, so we can definitely expect that market will be taking support in case market drops. Okay, if market drops, then we have Fibo 50% retracement level around 1980 level. But the problem is the 1980 is still around 400 pips away. Okay, we have a big gap. Okay, so before the big gap here, you can also see we have multiple layers of support. Those are not very strong like 1980, but still you can expect a bounce. For example, we have 2000 level. 2000, because it was a psychological resistance, and 2000 is a round number, so it will be acting as psychological support again. And you can see that around 2000 the 200 moving average will also be coming up, so you can expect, my dear friends, so you can expect that if market hits 2000 level, there will be some sort of action. If market takes support, if you see the price is showing rejection from below, you'll get a confirmation that okay, buyers are present and you can go for a buy. Okay, so observation will be very, very important at 2000 level. But as I said, that right now we have a trend reversal situation going on here. So as a result, if market drops also, not expect that market will give us a big bounce, complete trend reversal of 200, 300 pips. If the selling pressure is high, so we can go for a 30, 40 pips bounce. Or otherwise, if the selling pressure is not very high, we can expect a bounce of 70 to 80 pips. Okay, but not trend reversal, because trend reversal is a different thing, and having a realistic expectation from the market is also a different thing. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay, overall, you can see that on lower time frames like 15 minutes, market is completely flat. So if you do not have any ongoing position in the market, then it's better, because we do not have a clear picture, still clear picture right now, that in which direction the market will be moving in the next couple of weeks. Because after NFP, more or less we will get a complete picture of what will be happening in the next 10 to 20 days or in the month of December. But right now market is more or less flat. Okay, and usually day traders prefer to trade on the lower time frames, and here you can clearly see that on lower time frame we do not have any proper levels here. Same 2040, 2042. If market drops, then no proper support. Okay, so things are a little bit critical. So stick to the levels, okay, that I mentioned, because those are the levels where we have a better opportunity to trade. And as you know it very well that no level is permanent, so risk management is above all. Do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for such a overwhelming response for the workshop. The Hindi workshop is starting from today. The English will be starting from 11th of December, so few days left for the English workshop. So if you want, then you can still participate. Anyways, bye bye, take care.